What's up, guys? Another Monday, huh? We made it. So I have for you today the catch can. All right. This is another easy cheesy, it's not gonna break the bank type of mod. Don't say that to your wife. So let me, as usual, gather some tools and go to the truck, explain to you what we need, get it done. Hopefully you like it. Subscribe to the channel, comment below, and like I said before, if you have another product that you want to send my way so we can put it in the channel, whatever, just comment below, let me know how it goes, let me know if you like it, you dislike it, you know how to do it better. That will be better for everybody. That will be good for everybody. So give me a minute and I'll be back, okay? Good. In this case, remember guys, these tools are for my installation. Maybe you buy a different catch can and then you need another type of tools, but basically what you need is 3/8. This is like a fuel or oil hose, 3/8, some drill bits, Allen multi-tool key. This is for later. This is just, I'm gonna put it in my battery. Obviously the catch can. The holes that you need are for 3/8, right? This is gonna be the holder. I'm gonna let you know where I'm decide to put it on. My kit came with this, but I put those bolts with the how do you call it, the rubber in it, so with vibration they don't go out. Zip ties, the drill, and the screwdriver. Okay, so as usual, we're gonna open the hood and I'll let you know the plans. Open the hood over there. This guy. So with the camera guy, clean the camera please. Where are you? Right here. See, now that we have the strut, easy cheesy, huh? So if you want to see how to install these guys, you can check my other video, the one for this one. But see, now I don't need somebody to hold the hood, so I can open it, put it in place, and then start working. It's really nice because it stays open and I can do it with one hand. So the plan is, my location, obviously this is if you decide to do it the same way I'm doing it. I'm planning on drilling a hole here. Okay, let's see, there's the truck, front of the truck, the passenger side, driver side obviously. I'm gonna drill a hole right here and I'm gonna put my catch can there, route the cable this way through these pipes. Okay, let me do that and I'm gonna explain to you which is the in and which is the out. It's really easy install, okay? You guys can do it. Give me a minute, I'll be back. All right guys, so see, this is the final product here. It's going nowhere, so don't worry about losing it or whatever. It's not going nowhere. So it's really in there, so it's not gonna fall. So that thing goes behind here, all right, with 2 Allen screws. This is small, like a wool metal, like a type of filter that I'm gonna put there. Don't put too much, and it's gonna be a screw here. And this is the catch can, where all the oil's gonna stay there. So and this is the hose. Remember, 3/8. Give me a minute. I'm gonna put everything together, and I'm gonna show you an easy way to find out which is your in, which is your out, which is the pipe that you're gonna remove. So give me a minute. This is the clamps that came with the kit as well. Came with another fittings, but you don't need, these are too big. All right. And also make sure these fittings are really tight. And you have, on this one, you have your out and you have your in. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, so this is the tricky but easy part. So you have your out, and obviously on the other side you have your intake. By the way, the hose line, you need probably, just to be in the safe zone, for this particular installation, you need about, I will say 6 feet, okay, of 3/8 hose line. So easy, guys. You have your out and you have your in. If you come to this side of the engine, these, let me show you so you can come and see which pipe I'm talking about, the one that we're going to replace. This one here, and by the way, I'm going to use the same clamps for this section of it. So this will be your intake, your in, coming from this one over here. This is your out, this is your in. So you're going to route the line, and then you're going to connect it here. Now the PCV valve is on the end of this pipe here. So if you come here and then you follow this pipe, because right now the camera is not going to catch it, so you just follow this line. You're going to disconnect, you're going to put the in, and then you're going to follow this line on the back, and then you're going to disconnect it. That's going to be your PCV valve. That's going to be your out, which is going to be connected to this guy over here. Okay, really easy. So I'm going to do that and come back to you.
2 hours later.
All right, then we're done. Easy, guys, easy. Believe me, if I can do it, you can do it. So see, this is the actual pipe that you're gonna end up taking out. The pipe is like this. So this here is your in, and that guy is the out. So like I told you, it's easy. So it's like that, right there. So come with your in all the way to here. Okay, so the original pipe is going to be here. All you got to do is follow it down there, and that's going to be your out. Okay, and these ones, save it or sell it on eBay, whatever you want to do. Now, is recommended to, every time you change the oil, check the catch can. The good thing about this one is that you have this stick here. You can take it out and see how much oil is in there. Right, put it in, and if you want to dump it, what I saw one of the guys in the Facebook group on NISSAN Frontier group, what he does is he unscrew this too, take it out, dump it, put it back in, and place it in the same location. Okay, so I hope you guys like it, enjoy it as much as I did. Oh, one thing, guys, the one on the bottom, you're gonna need, man, my hands are big, so I had a lot of trouble getting in there. I hope, let me see. It's a tight space. Maybe you can see it. No, you don't see it from my side of the camera here. Okay. Anyway, if you have a needle nose, it's better. Okay. What else? Well, nothing else. Oh, I use about 6 feet of cable, so you don't need 7, and that's just for this location. If you want to mount it anywhere in the engine, you have to, rearrange your installation accordingly. Well, once again, I hope you guys like it. Subscribe. That's the most important thing. Comment below. There's more mods coming every Monday, so I'm trying to do this every Monday. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoy. See you soon. Bye.